Assalamualaikum. So today my group will be presenting for problem-based tasks, computer network security, address spoofing, detection and prevention. Before we start, my name is Sofia binti Marzidi and my metric number is 01DDT23F1016 and I'll be presenting this problem-based task with my two other friends, Fitri Zafira and Nadia. For introduction, I'll be talking about address spoofing. It is a type of cyber attack where an attacker changes the source IP address to make it appear as if the traffic is coming from a trusted source within the network. This method allows attackers to bypass security measures, impersonate legitimate servers, and also gain unauthorized access to corporate systems. In our scenario, the attacker posed as an Internet Administrative Server, which allowed malicious traffic to enter the network unnoticed. Understanding how address spoofing works, its impact, and how to prevent it is crucial for maintaining a secure infrastructure. For question A, how address spoofing works and enables unauthorized access. Address spoofing works by altering the source IP address in data packets so that they appear to come from a trusted or internal device. This tricks network system into accepting the malicious traffic as legitimate. As a result, attackers can bypass firewalls and security filters, gain the trust of other devices, intercept or manipulate sensitive data, and also remain undetected by monitoring tools. Since the spoofed IP appears genuine, network devices often treat it as authorized. This gives attackers access to internal resources or the ability to launch further attacks within the network. For question B, types of attacks using address spoofing and their impacts. The first one is man-in-the-middle attack. In this type of attack, the attacker secretly intercepts or relays communications between two parties without their knowledge. They can read, alter, or inject messages into conversation. So the impact is sensitive data such as login credential, banking information, or private messages can be stolen. For the second one is denial of service or distributed denial of service attack. Attackers use spoofed IP addresses to flood a target server with massive amount of traffic. Because the IPs appear legitimate, the system struggles to filter them out. So the impact is this can cause system downtime, financial loss, and disruption of online services.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Nadia binti Akmal. My metric number 01DDT23F1193. So I will continue about the contents. Number 3 is the season hijacking. Attackers imposed a trusted IP to hijack active season. The impact of this season hijacking, unauthorized access to user accounts or administrative system. Number 4, bypassing access control lists. So, spoofing trusted IPs to bypass firewall rules. So, the impact of this bypassing access control lists, the attackers gain access to restricted internal services. Next, I will present about the security measures to detect and prevent address spoofing. Firstly, network monitoring and logging. Monitor unusual traffic patterns or IP addresses with tools like IDS or IPS. Secondly, authentication and encryption. You have to use secret protocols like HTTPS, SSH, and VPN that verify identity beyond IP addresses. Thirdly, segmentations of the network. You have to limit the ability of attackers to move laterally by isolating critical servers and resources. Next, iterations detection and prevention system. IDS or IPS. This system can flag anomalies like spoof IP packets and block them in the real life. And the last one, you have the use of access control leases, SCL. SCLs can restrict traffic only to specific legitimate internal IPS. So that's all from me, and I will pass to my friends Fitri.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitri Zafira binti Ramli. My metric number is 01DDT23F1126. I'm going to answer question D. How ingress and egress filtering can help. So, what is ingress filtering? Ingress filtering is technique used to inspect incoming packets to ensure their source IP address are valid and consistent with the expected network. And this method prevents spoofer external packets from entering the internal network. So the benefits of ingress filtering is number one, stop attacker from the impersonating internal IPs. Second, reduces exposure to spoof-based DOS attack. Third, improve overall network reliability and trustworthiness. Next, we are going to egress filtering. Egress filtering validates outgoing traffic to ensure that packets leaving the network have legitimate internal source address. This prevents compromised internal system from launching attacks externally using spoofed IPs. So the benefits of egress filtering is number one, prevents internal machine from being used in spoofing attacks. Second, detect malware or infected device attempting to send out malicious traffic. Third, enhance accountability and monitoring of data leaving the organization. The overall conclusion for this task is addresses spoofing remains a significant security threat because it exploits trust in IP-based communications. By impersonating legitimate internet server, attackers can bypass basic security controls, access sensitive data, and disrupt service. Implementing layered security measures such as egress filtering, strong authentications, network segmentation, and IDS/IPS monitoring can greatly reduce the risk of such as attack. A proactive defense strategy is essential for maintaining a secure and resilient corporate network. That's all from us. Thank you.